Yes, sir. Nice. What's up, Vinny? All right, I think we are good. Go over the watch list here in a couple minutes. Hopefully find a good setup today. All right, all right, let's take a vote, actually. Do you think GD is going to show up today? My vote's going to be no. No GD. Let's see if he's in here. No, he's not. Going no. You're thinking yes? All right. Got a yes, a no. What's up, YouTube? Santa brought me something super cool. Hold on. Look at this shit. When I went to New York Stock Exchange. That's hard as fuck. I just gotta wait till the basement's done so I can actually hang it up, but yeah. So dope. Figured I'd share that with you guys. I should put it right here. There we go. All right. If you guys could take 2 seconds in the YouTube, hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. And get this set up real quick. There we go. All right, so yeah, we're gonna go over the watch list here in a minute. Give everybody like 1 more minute to join in Team Bull. I'm gonna go with no for GD. Okay. Let's go over this watch list. So, as far as what I'm watching today, I'm sharing my screen on here, yeah? Okay. Meta a lot. If it can get above 668.2. So we have like this 1 hour move up from, what was it, Wednesday? Nice move up. We're flagging. We're pulling back into this 21 EMA. We have a squeeze going on as well on the 1 hour. So I feel like if we can get above that 668.2, we can get that 1 hour squeeze of fire up. Obviously, look for an uptrend entry. Watch the 670 calls. Pull up ES. Same thing. Big move up. Pull back to 21 EMA. I originally would have watched this for a bounce, but obviously we already hit it and I was not awake when that happened. So if we can get above 6990, actually 7,000, I don't see why we wouldn't go there. So uptrend entry into 7,000 should be a pretty big psychological level for ES. Obviously, if we get above that, we just continue to push. But yeah, 7,000 on ES would be crazy to actually think about. NQ, same thing. We pull back. We hit that 21 EMA already. Kind of have like a 1 hour demand area down here if we got here. But if we get above 25923.5, we can look for a continuation higher. And some other things we can watch. I mean, Microsoft looked pretty good. AMD didn't look too bad either. If it got above, I'd say Wednesday's high at 216.50. Video, same thing, doesn't look too bad above 190.65. So we have options today. I just like Meta the most as far as individual stock. So that is the watch list today. Everybody on YouTube still like this this little what would you even call this layout that I got going on? What's up, Vala, something like that. But yeah, you like it? If you guys could, again, make sure to hit that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. We got 77 of you in here and only 25 likes. So remember, I do this all for free. There's no advertisements inside the live stream. So there's going to be no breaks where you get an ad that pops up. All I ask in return is that you guys hit that like button. 78 of you in here and 25 likes. So make sure you guys run it up. What up? Sorry, everybody, I was muted. That one right there.
Oh, that's fire.
Yeah. What's up, Rafa? I think it's how you say it. Oh, wait, shit. There we go. What's up, Rafa? We got 4 minutes until open. 3 minutes, actually. Bet. I'm gonna have a full office up in here today. Got 3 other people that are gonna squeeze in here with me. Same thing. If we break above that 69.90 on ES, look for the longs or calls on SPY if you want to trade it. What up, everybody? Who do we got in here? We got Mr. KO, It A Marnisen Holes, Dominic, John, Miss K, James, Trades by Chad, Vala, David, John, Stockfather, ST Trades, some name that I will not be able to pronounce, Manuel, and Relaxation Retreat 6453 6435. What up? Real quick, before the market opens, as always, if you guys need any funded accounts whatsoever through TPT, Apex, or Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. It'll always get you the best possible discounts. So again, Brandon in all caps on Apex, Tradeify, and TPT. I'll actually drop my TPT link in here and get it pinned up. Use code Brandon. Trading ES and NQ. And I'm also watching Meta. Got 1 minute till open. Meta looks like it's going to try for the break. So I do want to keep an eye on that. Get Meta options pulled up. Remember, I'm going to watch this 66820 break. Pull back and retest. I'm going to watch the 680 calls. Or 670 calls, sorry. So, get them pulled up. Market is open. And we literally came down and tapped some demand that I had to a T on NQ. And now it's nuking. Nice. Unless that was a misprint, I don't know. But NQ doesn't typically misprint. Just a couple points off. Oh, now you want to join, huh? All right, where you at? Gino, there you are. You're late. You're late. I guess let's watch this demand. If we actually touch it, 625 or 62 to 59. All right, let's keep watching this. You said Palantir's open, GD? Oh, it did rip and then pull back. Actually, doesn't look bad. We could hold above like 195.40. It's been a pretty big level. How we doing, everybody in the YouTube? I know there was no sound. I'm muted for a reason. I got the boys here today. Again, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button. We got 130 of you in here and only 53 likes. Make sure you guys run up them likes. I'm gonna get more accounts to give away next week as well. So yeah, make sure to hit that like button. Hopefully we can find a trade today. We had a very nice trade on Wednesday. It's been a really good week, even though I typically hate trading this week. So stay patient, wait for an A+ setup. If we get it, obviously we'll take advantage of it. If not, we'll sit on our hands and wait for next Monday. But also feel free to ask questions while we're chilling and waiting for a setup. We pretty much hit that demand again. What do you think, GD? We get 7,000 today on ES.
Potentially.
It's not far. I think it will. That I have no idea, to be honest. Let's see. Apple's really strong. Nvidia as well. I'll actually watch Nvidia for a break and retest to that pre-market high if we can hold bullish. But I think there's a good chance we go to 7,000, to be honest. The NQ daily supply is all the way up at, it's really far away, 26273.5. So super, super far. I hear you ripping trades too. We got that 5-minute candle close above Nvidia as well. So I'm gonna watch for that pullback to 190.65. It's a full house up in here today, Rob.
You brought breakfast?
He got you a sandwich.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Hey.
Your longs are doing good, Abraham.
Yeah.
Got 150 people up in the live stream today. Hell yeah. What do I think about ICT theory? I don't use it. I think it's a load of BS, but I mean, if it makes you profitable, it makes you profitable.
Yeah, I wish I did
Better.
copy trade. I would have took up one account.
You should trim going into that previous high.
I just took a trim.
Very good. So it's rejecting hard. Again, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button. 157 of you up in here and 64 likes. Remember, I live trade for completely free. Call out all my trades. All I ask from you guys is to hit that like button. And relaxation. Just go through my YouTube videos and watch them. And get both my books, The New Age of Day Trading, The New Age of Technical Analysis. It'll help break down everything. Still watching this in video pullback, everybody. 190.65. No, I'm not going to go back to full size until January 1st. Or actually, no, the following week. After next week, whatever that ends up being. I think like January 5th. Is that following Monday?
I don't know how that like one's doing.
You made 120 on the funded?
This is TPT.
Nice. Appreciate you, Dirk. NQ also doesn't look too bad.
Oh, same, right? Okay, I'm gonna check the right one.
Might also watch NQ for a pullback into these moving averages. Might get that 5-minute structure that I like. Where you at, GD? GD has disappeared. Yeah, I mean, I'll trade gold if there's a setup, but I don't think there is right now. No, I wouldn't be interested on gold until we got back up above that previous high. So. Want NQ to pull back to like 910. 907 level. To get it, let's see. A little bit more, come on. I was watching that long, god damn it.
Are you waiting for 905?
I was, but I was personally thinking yes, gonna go ahead and push to 7K. I don't see why I wouldn't.
Would you want to close above 97? Good luck at that, doesn't make sense.
Come on, pull back. Waiting for this pullback, everybody. Damn, we got 200 of you up in here today. Again, if you guys ever need accounts, use TPT, Tradeify, or Apex. Make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. Again, TPT, Apex, or Tradeify. Use code Brandon, all caps. Always get you the best possible discount codes. See if we get this 907 pullback now. Yeah, I'm watching for a pullback to the moving averages. All right, let's watch this level, everybody. We're pulling back into it. Not a big fan of that last 5-minute candle, so we're gonna need a strong reaction for me to be interested. Pretty strong. Damn, it's gonna do it.
Yes. She canceled so well.
Did it? Might have missed that entry, but I'm gonna keep watching it. Yeah, it's gonna push. Damn, I missed that. Guess we could also see, like, if it does close pretty bullish, this retest right here. Just prefer the ADMA to be closer. Yes, it's still pushing. Still no trades for me, everybody. Might have missed that one potential entry on that pullback. It's just that 5 minute wasn't looking good. Still watching NQ. Still watching NQ. I have no reason to believe that it's going to reject. We're just trying to find that uptrend entry. I guess if we do pull back on ES, we have a fib if this were to be the high. A-Train, you're stupid. Respectfully. You have zero idea what you're talking about. He said, you know why this dude's questionable? Because he's friends with Jadon, who was a scammer with BrandonTrades, guilty by association. Jadon did absolutely nothing to scam anybody. You just follow a narrative that you know 1% about. but you don't know everything. So,
What's even on?
I don't know.
This is the area.
We're not rejecting off of anything, so I wouldn't be looking for shorts at all. What would be like, there's no supply up here, nothing. I like ES if it pulls back a little bit more. 86. We are pulling back into that moving average again. What are you watching?
This area.
NQ or ES? Nice. I'm watching this area right here. I agree. Yes. I'd like to see, yeah, I'm watching this 86 to like 85, 84 level.
Site.
61.8 as well with VWAP. See if we can hold it. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna reclaim it. Remember, A+ setups only, everybody. At least if we do pull back, we can watch this in video.
I just want to see that whole.
NVIDIA actually looks really good if it can pull back. ES have validated the fib. Or sorry, that's on the 2 minute. We got a few more minutes. See if we can reclaim. Let's try and let's see how this 5 minute closes. Decent amount of volume coming in. Damn, dude, don't push it yet. Come on. We got no news today as well. Again, if you guys could take 2 seconds, hit that like button. We got 200 of you guys in here and only 90 likes. Again, I live trade every single day. Take 2 seconds, find that like button and hit it. It would be greatly appreciated. Again, 200 of you and only 90 likes. Not even 50% of you have hit that like button. That's all I ask from you guys. Oh no, what you thinking, GD? risk would be super tight. Sales 5 close. I said our risk would be tight if it closes bullish. I would just give it below VWAP on ES, which is like 2 points. I'd like to take it back to 7,000 if it confirms. So risk like 2-3 points to make 15 potentially. 14, 15.
I'm sure you're not gonna let those personally. Should be someone.
Thinking about it.
It's right on 3.5, so.
Yeah, right on that 618 VWAP as well. I just don't like how NQ closed. Yeah, it's iffy. No entry for me. Still watching Nvidia though. Still want more of a pullback.
Still looks like you made.
Yeah, I think we're gonna try to break this. And again, if you guys ever need to get funded and you use TPT, Apex, or Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon in all caps. Obviously, the goal of these live streams is to help you guys get funded and help you guys get payouts. So again, Tradeify, TPT, or Apex, make sure to use discount code Brandon. I hope this Nvidia doesn't push. A little more of a pullback.
Contracts even.
On a video? What I watch? The 192s. 192.5. You guys take any trades yet, Team Bull? They're bringing it back up.
Say, try. Oh.
I mean, the risk to reward is good. The confirmation, it's not like excellent. Wherever that clear-cut pivot low and pivot high is, I'm drawing fibs. So I don't care what time frame. It was Bo. Somebody said Bo's bearish. Who the hell is Bo? You're not straight, I could tell. Getting that pullback to Nvidia. 190.95, 190.65 is what I'm watching. I'm down for some options. No, might have to go with the 190s, Rob. 192.5s are way too cheap. I don't think they're gonna move. It's just kind of like the more you watch Bookmap, the better you're gonna get at reading it. I wouldn't say there's like a specific time it takes. Yeah, selling off. We're at the Nvidia level, so I'd prefer like 190.65. That's like definitely the better area. Oh my god. The market is rolling over. It's falling apart. I don't even think I have any other levels, to be honest with you. Or actually, we're at the pre-market low on NQ right here. This 43, 25843. ES is at 74. Nvidia's not looking too bad. They're buying it up. 5-minute looks pretty good. I just don't like that we have to go so deep in the money. Also, Pretty strong candle close off that pre-market low. What about price was telling you to go short though? Nothing from the higher time frames were saying short. No supply, no rejects, nothing. That's why a lot of traders fail, because they focus too much on a 5-minute structure instead of higher time frame analysis. Everything about the higher time frames were saying up. So instead of looking for intraday 5-minute shorts, I'd be looking for pullbacks on higher time frames to go long. Now, where that could be that pre-market low. That could have been the demand zone that we're still holding. Either of those two. But as far as 5-minute time frame, nothing said shorts at the high. Yeah, but we didn't even hit it. And then we didn't even confirm a short off of it. Now, if we actually went up to 7,000 and showed a very bearish candle with volume, that would be a little different. But we didn't even touch it. We were still pretty far away. Yeah. Over the long term, if you're just basing trades off the 1-minute time frame, there's a very high probability that you're going to have a losing rate. You got to zoom out and look at the higher time frame. I feel like that pre-market low might have been it on NQ. Yeah, had a lot of volume behind it too. There's no daily supply. I mean, honestly, not a whole lot. We did. Bro, I literally have zero fucking clue where it's coming from. Again, a single 5-minute bearish engulfing does not mean shorts. Again, over the long term, 9 times out of 10, you're going to lose money if you're just basing trades off of that. I've been trading for 8 years. I've seen all of this. You can't just base trades off of one single 5-minute candle. You have to look at the overall market structure and then base a decision from the higher time frames. Simply just use lower time frames to scale, or not scaling, but use a lower time frame to actually time your entries. But everything should be based off of higher time frames. What'd you say? It was good. How was yours? Good. Did you go to midnight mass? No? Might go down and test ES pre-market low. We're actually at that NVIDIA level. I guess we can see if it holds. We're still in that NQ demand too. NVIDIA is losing the level. Let's watch 74 on ES. See if we can hold.
Huh?
74.
Seven. 7. That looks smaller.
We can actually lose these pre-market lows, and I'd be interested in potential shorts if we break with weakness and then come back up and retest. That I would be interested in.
It's about 6.
Holding that pre-market low. You know, this 5-minute candle closes. Again, not really interested in shorts until we crack these pre-market lows and actually close below. No, I don't use VIX at all. see if we actually get this close. Nvidia lost the level. Looks like we might try to lose it. So if we lose 74 again, break and retest, if it just flushes, we do have a really nice demand down at 69.61. It's based off the 30-minute. Yeah, I was trying to buy it up off this low.
You ever watched the 50% yesterday's right or previously?
As long as there's a clear-cut pivot low and pivot high for fib. Did it? Let's see.
I indicated that's not good.
Bouncing off that pre-market low, everybody. Again, we gotta lose that if we want more downside. Nice. Give me trade, GD. Yeah, for real, for real. Yeah. No, I see it. Dying. You get the market in another 40 minutes, see if we can find something.
The travel best to know.
No.
So when they fix the shot.
Are they coming today?
Hold on.
But still bouncing off that low. 1 hour demand. No, not down there. No. Only 1 hour I have is what we've kind of been bouncing. It's bouncing hard. The new age of day trading. Yeah. Damn, those longs would have hit. Good thing is the book doesn't want you to read it. You say my book's boring? Nah, mine's cool. The new age of day trading. Boring. It's a pretty bearish candle coming in.
Really close to 50% retracement.
Yep, Global Plus and CME. Bookmap data is what I use. If you get Bookmap though, use this link right there. Watch Stranger Things, GD? This guy. Yes, you do. Huh? What am I watching together? Oh, I'm already almost done. I ain't watching it again. Catch up, fool.
No, I got hit the previous things are killing.
Still nothing, everyone. Peace out, Lenny.
ever watched the trades in the downside?
Yeah, I have it pulled up. I just don't like it. Because we're bouncing off of that pre-market low still. If we broke the pre-market low and did it, I'd be more interested. Plus, none of the candles are really saying to short. Give me a back workout, GD. Did he disappear again? Bet. Back in buys. Thank you. I'm up 200% on my silver equity. On both, I have a bunch of silver. Equity and like real silver. Come on, market. Give me something. I don't deadlift. I don't care to deadlift. I don't really like those fibs anymore. Just no confirmation. That's why I didn't take the longs. Giving the market 30 more minutes to see. Again, while we're chilling, if you guys use TPT, Apex, or Tradeify, make sure to use discount code Brandon, all caps. Oh, feel free to ask questions too. while we're waiting for a setup. $30 more minutes. Maybe not even 30 minutes if price action keeps up like this. Everything did what I thought it was going to do. It just never gave confirmations, which is annoying, but you know, that's part of trading sometimes. Have the right idea, just no trade.
What do you want for Christmas, young Edgar?
Tesla's just been dying all day. That gold is nuking.
What's up, man? I'm trying to get you.
Are you still in? Are you scaled out? Well, scale out, fool. Yeah. Yeah, scale out. And then, well, did you scale out or sell it? You should have scaled out and move your stop up.
Yeah, I have one.
Oh, I see, I see.
That was 680 or 670. Spend that in there, really? What was it?
I like the break. I like the break and retest of gold if it comes back. Watch gold. See if it pulls back into that previous high. I'll just buy ETFs. I don't know anything about those small cap stocks. Just buy ETFs. It's way easier. There it is. 4, 5, 6, 8. Watching gold for a pullback to this previous high, everybody. $68.5. I don't really have anything on watch for swings currently. The Dow was ripping. Six. Damn, Cisco, why'd you sell, bruh? That shit is ripping. That's why you gotta do MGC so you can scale out. Watching both the Dow and gold. They both have setups that I want to watch. Ideally, a pullback to like 49,000 on Dow. And then like 68.5 on GC. Previous high. That's what I'm watching. I'll trade Dow. It's just rare. I haven't traded it in a while, but I have. It's like $5 a point.
Is that
Watch YM. It's actually pulling back to the level. Hit the Dow level, everybody. Still watching this Dow. If they can hold this level, I like it. If they lose 49,000, I don't care. Gold's at the level as well. Dow's not looking too hot. Giving this gold anywhere from 68 down to 66, which is at 8 EMA on the 5-minute. Yeah. I'm gonna try some gold here, but then I'm willing to add if we hit that 8 EMA. And then stop right below that. Looking for 75 for a first trim. We can get up there. Come on, give us 75. We're already up a few points on this. Come on, don't blue ball it. We were 0.4 ticks away. Come on. Give it to us. Come on. Come on. Come on. Half point away. You motherfucker. I'll put my stop at break even, by the way, everybody. It's a pretty choppy day, so I would just be conservative, put the stop at break even. We're up a few points, like 3.5 points. You know, obviously I wanted 7.5 for my first trim. So I'll either stop. I put it like a couple ticks in profit. I'll either stop a couple ticks in profit or we get that first trim. I think the ask might have actually hit at 7.5, but the bid did not. Was it right there? That was 0.4 off. Give me 7.5. Come on. And then I'll hold the rest till high day if we can get it. Just keeps rejecting as it gets close. All right. It's got me out. A couple ticks in profit. Break even trade, pretty much. We were up 3.5 points. We literally needed like 0.2 more ticks to get or 2 more ticks to get that trim, but it didn't want to give it. The whole market is just hella slow today. Watch it hit the stop and then go. Kept struggling that level. It's gonna do it, Rob. It's gonna do it. No, it stopped me. Couple ticks in profit. Yeah, now it's gonna do it. You fucker. It's all right.
I got stuff out too. I got one trim left.
Well, there goes that gold. That's what we wanted originally.
I didn't really get the break even.
Gold's hard to trade, especially during New York. It's way easier during Asia, but that's the move that we wanted. It was struggling that 0.5 level. So want to be a little conservative, especially with the market being choppy and slow. But it is what it is. Just the break and retest of that pre-market high. I wanted a little more if we dip down towards the ADMA. Obviously we didn't get that, but the whole market's just being super choppy. I was 0.4 off from getting my, or 0.2 off from my trim, but did not want that to reverse. It's all right though. It's been a beautiful week. GD hit us with the Irish goodbye. Bro didn't even say bye. I know. Yeah, it's not the best price action. Still looks like it wants to push. Yeah, the ES chart and NQ chart is dog shit today. It's another reason I wanted to put my stop at break even on gold right away. Just in case we started to do some of the same shit and just chop around. But I think I'm gonna call it here, everybody. Stopped a couple ticks in profit, pretty much a break-even trade. So let's do it again next week. If you guys decide to sit here and continue trading, obviously trade safe, trade smart. But let's run it up next week. Let's crush the last week of December and then kill in 2026. Hope everybody has an amazing weekend. I'll talk to you guys then.